Before we jump in, I do earn a referral fee when you use the services and companies I demonstrate in the video, but there is no additional cost to you. I chose them because they're the best in the industry and you're safe with them.
Hey everyone, welcome back. We all want financial freedom. Today we're diving into the top 10 passive income ideas that can realistically make you an extra $2,000 a month in 2024 and beyond. This is about building sustainable income streams that can transform your financial future. We'll also cover how to set up an LLC to protect those earnings and maximize your profits. Let's get after it.
Look, rental properties and real estate, they're not entirely passive, but once you get the system down, the cash flow and long-term appreciation are tough to beat. Think about it, people will always need a place to live, right? Now I know what you're thinking, Mehd Abdul, I don't have hundreds of thousands for a down payment. And you know what? You don't necessarily need it. There are strategies like house hacking, where you live in one unit of a multifamily property and rent out the others, essentially living for free. Plus, you've got options like buy, rehab, rent, refinance, repeat. This method lets you leverage the equity you build to purchase even more properties. But remember, it's not always sunshine and rainbows. You'll have to deal with tenants, repairs, and the occasional late-night call about a leaky faucet. The bottom line? Rental properties can be a powerful engine for building wealth and generating passive income, but it takes effort, education, and a solid strategy to make it work.
Okay, let's talk about something truly passive, dividend stocks. Imagine this. You own a tiny piece of a massive company, and every quarter they send you a check just for being a shareholder. That's dividend investing in a nutshell. The beauty here is the simplicity. You buy shares in established, profitable companies with a history of paying dividends, and you literally watch your money make money. But don't just go chasing the highest yields. Look for companies with a solid track record of dividend growth. These are the businesses that are committed to sharing their profits with investors year after year. And diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Instead, build a diversified portfolio across different sectors to minimize risk and maximize returns. Now, dividend investing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a long-term game. But over time, the power of compounding can turn even small investments into significant wealth. Remember, reinvest those dividends. Let them buy you even more shares, and watch your income snowball over time.
Let's be real. Banks aren't exactly known for their generosity, are they? They lend money at high interest rates and give you pennies on your savings. Well, with peer-to-peer lending, you can cut out the middleman and become the bank yourself. Platforms like Lending Club and Prosper connect borrowers directly with investors like you. You choose which loans to fund based on your risk tolerance and desired return. It's like playing banker with your own money. Now, like any investment, there's risk involved. Borrowers can default on their loans. That's why it's crucial to diversify your investments across multiple loans to spread that risk. But here's the cool part. P2P lending can offer higher returns compared to traditional savings accounts or even bonds. And you're directly helping individuals achieve their financial goals, whether it's consolidating debt, funding a small business, or even paying for a dream wedding. Just remember to do your due diligence. Research the platforms, understand the risks involved, and start small. As you gain more experience and confidence, you can gradually increase your investment.
Let's talk about turning your passions into profits with affiliate marketing. Have you ever recommended a product and wished you could get a cut of the sale? That's what affiliate marketing is all about. Promote products on your website, blog, or social media. Earn a commission for every purchase made through your link. No need to create products or handle inventory. Connect your audience with products they'll love. Successful affiliate marketing takes work. Build trust, provide valuable content, and choose the right products. If you're passionate about a niche, it can be lucrative. Your income potential is virtually unlimited. More traffic and conversions mean more earnings.
Are you an expert in something? Maybe you're a coding whiz, a marketing guru, or a master chef. Whatever your skill set, chances are there are people out there who are willing to pay to learn from you. That's where online courses come in. Creating and selling online courses is like building a digital asset that can generate passive income for years to come. You invest the time and effort upfront to create high-quality content, and then you can sell it over and over again. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Thinkific make it easier than ever to host, market, and sell your online courses. The key to success with online courses is to provide real value to your students. Share your unique insights, experiences, and strategies that can't be found anywhere else. And don't forget to engage with your students. Answer their questions, provide feedback, and create a supportive learning community. Word-of-mouth marketing is incredibly powerful, and happy students are more likely to recommend your courses to others. Do you have a story to tell or knowledge to share? Package it into an ebook and sell it online. Ebooks generate passive income with minimal effort. Sell on platforms like Amazon, Apple Books, and more. Start by identifying your niche and outlining your book. Provide value to your readers, and you'll be on your way to generating income. Want to invest in real estate without the hassle of being a landlord? Well, REITs, or real estate investment trusts, might be your perfect solution. REITs are companies that own, operate, or finance income-producing real estate. Think shopping malls, office buildings, apartments, and even cell towers. Investing in REITs is like owning a tiny piece of a diversified real estate portfolio without the headaches of property management. Plus, REITs are required by law to distribute at least 90% of their taxable income to shareholders in the form of dividends. That's right, regular cash flow just for being an investor. Now, REITs are traded on major stock exchanges, just like stocks. You can buy and sell them through your regular brokerage account, making them a highly liquid and accessible investment option. And here's the best part. REITs have historically provided competitive returns compared to other asset classes, especially when it comes to generating dividend income. Just remember, like any investment, REITs come with risks. Their value can fluctuate based on interest rates, economic conditions, and the overall performance of the real estate market.
Ever thought about sharing your passions, knowledge, or creativity with the world and getting paid for it? That's exactly what a YouTube channel allows you to do. There's a massive audience hungry for engaging and valuable content. Find your niche, create high-quality videos, and be consistent. Whether it's gaming, cooking, or travel, there's an audience waiting. Monetize through ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and selling products. Build a digital asset that generates passive income for years.
Ever dreamed of running your own online store without the hassle of inventory, shipping, or handling customer service? Well, that's the power of dropshipping. With dropshipping, you partner with a supplier who handles all the back-end logistics while you focus on marketing and selling products. Here's how it works. You create an online store, list products from your chosen supplier, and set your own prices. When a customer places an order on your store, you simply forward the order details and payment to your supplier, who then ships the product directly to the customer. The beauty of dropshipping is that you don't need to invest in inventory upfront, which significantly reduces your financial risk. Plus, you can sell products from multiple suppliers, giving you a wider selection and the ability to test different niches without any upfront investment. Now, dropshipping isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes work to find reliable suppliers, create a compelling brand, and drive traffic to your store. But with the right strategy and dedication, dropshipping can be a lucrative way to generate passive income online. Are you a creative soul with a knack for design? Do you love the idea of selling your own unique merchandise without the hassle of inventory or shipping? Then print on demand might be your perfect side hustle. With print on demand, you create custom designs for t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, tote bags, and a wide range of other products. You partner with a print-on-demand company that handles the printing, fulfillment, and shipping, while you focus on designing and marketing your products. Platforms like Printful, Printify, and Redbubble make it incredibly easy to get started with print on demand. You simply upload your designs, create product mock-ups, and list them for sale on your own website, social media, or online marketplaces like Etsy. Every time someone purchases a product with your design, the print-on-demand company handles the printing, packaging, and shipping, and you earn a commission on each sale. Print on demand is a fantastic way to monetize your creativity, test different design ideas, and build a passive income stream without any upfront investment in inventory or equipment. There you have it, folks. 10 powerful passive income ideas that can help you achieve your financial goals in 2024 and beyond. Remember, building passive income takes time, effort, and a willingness to learn and adapt. But the rewards are well worth it. Imagine waking up every day knowing that your money is working for you, even while you sleep. That's the power of passive income. So, what are you waiting for? Choose one or two of these passive income ideas that resonate with you and start building your path to financial freedom today. Until next time, keep crushing it.